In this short tutorial, I will explain to you how to connect the Google API to your Sprylab team. So let's switch my screen first to a knowledge base article which we have written for you. So here, if you look up Google Play Developer API Update, then you can see necessary steps when you set up the Google API for the first time. With purple, this needs to be done once, so don't be afraid that this is a frequent action you need to do. So please follow all these steps. They are described in detail for you, and it's if you follow them correctly, then this shouldn't be a problem. And in the end, after this has been done, you will receive a JSON file. And what do we need to do with the JSON file you create within these steps? You go to the team section, into your team, and here on the right you have the settings button. If you click on that, there you can see that, for example, for our account and the customer success, the Google API service account has not been stored. What you need to do is you will then need to select the JSON file and then hit save, so the Google API service account is connected. Please, in the end, after uploading this, as you can see here, it is relevant to update an existing product in the Play Store. It could be a single purchase or something else, or you can create a new product to make the account activate. This is a bug within Google. Maybe it's fixed by now, but just be safe and follow this 19th step just to be sure, otherwise the linked account will not be active. And this is how you set up the Google API. Thank you.